What do you think, Mr. Glenn? Willow. What are you doing, dumb dog? Dumb dog. He's gonna get you, Willow. He's gonna get you. What do you think, Glenn? Like, stop sniffing my butt, dog. Hey, you two play nice. Willow. Willow. Play nice. If you're trying to get your oysters, Glenn, you're like, I ain't got no oysters no more. Veterinarian already took them.